NCL Prefab division was set up to manufacture lightweight prefab shelters with bison panel to suit Indian conditions. Prefab division has designed a number of prefab shelters and successfully introduced these models in the market. There was tremendous response from all over the country from private and public sectors. Defence and central police organizations like CRPF, BSF, ITBP and civil projects and resorts, in addition to renowned construction companies. NCL has supplied thousands of shelters custom-made to suit individual and organizational requirements in different climatic conditions. With vast experience gained over a period of time, NCL Prefab has established itself as the largest manufacturer and supplier of prefab shelters in our country. NCL Prefab shelters have distinct features. The elements of the shelters can be easily handled for transportation to difficult terrains. They require very light foundations. They can be erected on a level base or even on stilts. They are custom made to suit individual requirements of comfort, strength and taste. Lightweight, high strength and speedy erection techniques contribute to the cost effectiveness compared to other similar structures. NCL Prefab systems have flexibility and adaptability, from a small shelter to a posh building with modern amenities and luxuries. The roofs are of gable type or pitched type. Monkey roofs and valley roofs can be provided if required. Bison panel roofs are comfortable. Apart from bison panel roofs, NCL Prefab shelters are also offered with Mangalore tiles, corrugated sheets, pre-painted sheets, FRP sheets, or decorative terracotta tiles if specified. Roofs can be extended beyond the wall line by providing cantilever frames. In case of large industrial sheds, structural steel sections will be used as stanchions to support the roof structure. These sections will be cladded with bison panel for better appearance. Doors and windows made in steel are erected integral with the panel walls. Burglar bars are provided for the windows. If specified, secular pre-painted steel doors and windows can be provided to the shelters by leaving required blockouts in the panel walls. Similarly, aluminium doors and windows can also be provided if specified. The shelters can be provided with porticos and full-length verandas. False ceilings in elegant style can be provided as per the choice of the customer. Ceramic tiles can be fixed on bison panels. Necessary water and sanitary lines can be fitted in the shelters to provide attached toilets and bathrooms. Kitchen platforms and cupboards can be provided in the shelters if required. Electrical wiring will be in open casing method for providing lights, fans or air conditioning units as required. As the shelters have required structural integrity, they can withstand horizontal shocks, vertical shocks, vibrations, and multiple shocks. Hence, they are best suited for earthquake-prone areas. As bison panels are fire-resistant, the shelters can withstand sudden flames and do not spread fire. Shelters have been erected in Rajasthan, where high temperatures are recorded. NCL erected these structures in Meghalaya, where heaviest rainfall is registered. Shelters have also been erected in Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, Bhutan, Nepal, where heavy snowfall is registered. NCL Prefab reached many inaccessible places and difficult terrains in the country. As these shelters are light and the elements are easy to handle, they are best suited for penthouses on the terraces of existing buildings. NCL Prefab is the ultimate choice for disaster management in providing instant accommodation for the victims of natural calamities. In case of urgency, these prefab shelters can be erected on plain ground by providing base plates and guy ropes, like in the case of tent pitching. As all the materials that go into prefab shelters are manufactured in-house, NCL has been able to stick to the delivery schedules and commitments given to the customers. Standardized shelters are supplied off the shelf to meet bulk requirement. As bison panels do not deteriorate due to the influence of weather, the shelters have long life. In case of any physical damages, the shelters can be repaired by replacing the damaged panels. Painting is done on a base coat of wood primer, with a variety of paints as per the choice of the customer. The shelters are designed for the wind loads and snow loads as specified by the customers. With its factories established in Hyderabad and Faridabad, NCL has executed a number of turnkey jobs in many prestigious projects. Variety of specially designed custom-made shelters were supplied to reputed organizations like Reliance Petroleum, L&T, Tata Projects, SR, Engineers India Limited, BHEL, Indian Oil Corporation, Telecom, CPWD, Sahara India, Thermax, ABB, the Army, CRPF and others. Our complete list of discerning customers is long, but to name a few,